Most launches don't fail because the strategy is wrong. They fail because life happens. So today I'm going to show you the calm launch method. How to build a launch plan that survives real life using a launch KaiZen approach. If you're a coach or expert building a course or a group program and launches feel chaotic, overwhelming, or you keep falling behind schedule, this is for you. We're not adding more tasks. We're installing a plan that's calm and executable. Here's what usually happens. A course creator makes a plan that looks perfect on paper, and then real life hits. Client work runs long. Family needs you, tech breaks, energy dips, and because the plan has no shock absorbers, the whole thing starts to collapse, and people blame themselves. I've seen course creators handle serious surprises mid-launch. One lost Wi-Fi during a flood and still found a way to show up. Another had to cancel a live event from the ER and kept the launch moving with a simpler plan. And you know what? Their students respected it. People are waiting for your product. A calm launch plan assumes real life will happen and it's built to handle it. Let me show you the 3 parts of a plan that survives. Part 1 is buffers, time and energy padding. A buffer is not laziness. It's the difference between a plan that works only in a perfect week and a plan that works in your actual life. A calm launch has buffers. Here's the simplest way. Double your time estimates. Add 1 weekly catch-up block. Even if you can't fully double everything. The point is to stop planning like you're a robot. Buffers aren't extra. They're what makes your plan survive real life. Buffers help, but you also need a decision framework when you're behind. Pinned comment. Part 2 is triage. When you're behind, you don't do everything, you decide. Use cut, keep, move, keep, sales page, VSL, masterclass, follow-up emails, move, extra social posts, extra edits, extra bonus videos. Cut, redesigning slides, rebuilding the whole thing mid-launch, perfection, upgrades. That keep list is your conversion core. Protect it. Your sales message, sales page, video. Your belief builder, masterclass, your follow-up emails. Part 3 is launch KaiZen cadence. Consistency beats intensity. Burnout comes from treating every launch like an emergency. Calm consistency comes from running a repeatable plan and improving one thing each cycle. Pinned comment. My rule is simple. 1 improvement per launch cycle. That's launch KaiZen. Small improvements beat big burnout. Don't rebuild everything. Improve one thing per cycle and let the gains compound. Pinned comment. Consistency beats intensity, especially if you're juggling clients, family, and a real schedule. A plan you can execute calmly will outperform a perfect plan you can't finish. Quick proof. The creators who get consistent results aren't the ones with the fanciest launches. They're the ones with a plan that survives real life, and they run it cycle by cycle. If you want help building this for your offer, get your launch order of operations map in the 5-day challenge. Link in the pinned comment. It's the simplest way to stop guessing and build a calm, executable launch plan. All right, before we jump into Q&A, thank you for all the comments and questions on this series. I pulled 5 of the most common questions I've been seeing, and I'm going to answer them lightning round style. And if you want me to answer yours in a future Q&A, comment question, and then write your question in one sentence. On screen, I'll label these Q1, Q5 so you can rewatch the one you need. If you're behind schedule, do this first.
I'm behind schedule. What do I cut, keep, and move without killing results?
Keep anything that creates clarity, belief, and invitation. Your sales message, your masterclass, and your follow-up emails. Move anything supportive, extra content, extra edits, extra posts. Cut anything perfection-based, design tweaks, new lead magnets, rewriting everything. Behind schedule is a triage problem, not a motivation problem. Want the personalized order? Pinned comment.
How much buffer time should I add to my launch calendar?
Start with a simple rule. Double your estimates, then add 1 weekly catch-up block. If you finish early, you're ahead. If life happens, you're still on track.
How much buffer time should I add to my launch calendar?
Must do a clear sales message, 1 belief-building event or asset, and consistent follow-up. Everything else is optional until those 3 are done. Want the personalized order? Pinned comment.
What if life happens mid-launch and I miss a deadline?
Don't disappear. Communicate, simplify, and keep the core. Most launches recover when you keep the promise consistent and continue follow-up. And remember, people are waiting to hear from you. Some of them are ready to buy. They just need clarity and the next step.
How do I stop burning out when I launch repeatedly?
Stop treating each launch like a one-time emergency. Run a repeatable plan, keep buffers, and improve 1 thing per cycle. That's launch KaiZen. Plan it like a system, not an emergency. Quick comment check-in. What derails you most? Time, tech, energy, consistency, or audience? When you fall behind, do you panic post, rebuild, or freeze? Get your launch order of operations map in the 5-day challenge, pinned comment. I'll see you in the next video.